Loco Chon back at you guys. This morning we had some difficulties unloading. They wanted me to untarp really fast, so I wasn't able to set up any cameras. And it was really quick. I just got a few clips of them unloading it. But right now I'm right here. We came to Iowa, 300 miles down, to pick up some John Deere tractors. Not sure which ones yet. Hopefully we can get them recorded today, and hopefully these guys let me record when we chain down. We'll keep you updated. Biggest truck stop. My first time here. I was fortunate to be not that far away, so we're gonna see what we find inside. Look, it's on sale. 2400. That place is a lot. That's a lot for me. I could not leave. I could not start eating my food. So we had to walk out, literally. And now we're out here where everyone's idling. It sounds like cows. Another day, be happy. Just finished picking up this parcel, another bucket right here in Iowa. They came up and said you can pick it up, and I said, well, I'll share it. It's more moolah for me, so now we're getting ready to head back to California.